How's it going? Today I want to talk about this wood carving set. Now this comes in a nice leather little roll right here, and it has a handle so you can easily carry this around or put it in your toolbox or your garage, wherever you need to put it, so that whenever you do need it, you'll be able to grab it. It also has little eyelets here, so if you want to put your own belt loop on, you can have it so that you can maybe carry it around your shoulder. However which way you want to move this around, you're going to have a couple different options. Now you have two buckles on the side. You go ahead and loosen those up. Get these straps loose so we can access the tools in here. And as you can see, it rolls out like so, and then you have a flap over it. Now each tool is individually wrapped with plastic, and it has coverings over the blade part on the side here. You can go ahead and remove this. This is going to be a little zipper compartment which has even more hand tools. Now these are going to be more of like your X-Acto knives right here, and different sculpting style tools. You also have a sharpener that it comes with, so that's always convenient because you're going to be doing a lot of chipping and chiseling with these, so you're going to want to have that. You also have a leather band right here. So you have this one here, and we're going to go ahead and just open this one up so you can get a look. It has a very nice wood handle finish, smooth. You can see this is in there very tight, and it has a cap here for the blade, which is very important. We'll go ahead and remove that little cap, and you can see this is just a tiny little kind of curved blade. Now doing something like this, we can go ahead and just kind of shave this off. You can see how quickly and easily this is kind of shaving the wood. It is a nice tool. These are extremely sharp. There are tons of different styles just depending on what you're actually needing these for. It makes a really great gift. If there's any woodworkers out there, they can definitely benefit from something like this. They are all individually packaged. It comes with a pair of gloves, so if you want to be a little more safe and have these gloves on, they are pretty thick. So these gloves are going to be able to kind of keep your hands, a little bit more protected. It's just, to each their own. If you want to use the gloves, maybe you're working outside, or maybe it's cold out and you need to have them, that would be a good option too. But yeah, the different styles are very unique. It's definitely different from like your standard blade. It just depends on like what type of shape you're trying to carve out. Maybe you're trying to whittle down some wood or make some type of wood sculptures or pieces. This is just going to be a great kit with a ton of different options. I love that they have the little protector pieces. It's really nice to have that because the tips are definitely where you got to watch out for. You just want to be careful when you're handling these, and you can store them with the handles in place right here. So once they're stored in place, all you have to do to close this is put that leather flap over like the blade part, and then you just roll this up. You can start the roll with the little detachable piece right there, and you roll it up like so, and then you have your bag. So this is the perfect gift for anybody that's just getting into woodworking, or is maybe a little more experienced and just needs a couple specific tools. This is a great set because it has so many different styles that you can choose from for whichever type of thing you're carving, or maybe you're just trying to repair certain things with wood and you need certain tools to get into areas where just like a straight blade might not necessarily work. So this kit really comes in handy. It's a great packaging as well. It's not like these are all just loose in a toolbox. It comes with this really nice leather roll that should last a very long time.